Slippery Rock Creative is proud to present their new pre-built After Effects character series. These rigs have been created with the artist in mind. They are extremely flexible and dynamic. After watching this tutorial walkthrough, you should be able to easily navigate these characters. We are currently offering the Bear rig for free. This sample rig has all the basics. Check out the free tutorial for this rig on the Slippery Rock Creative YouTube or Vimeo channels. Once you've grasped the basics, please try the additional rigs at the low introductory price of $4.99 each. Or you could purchase all three at a 20% discount. Please visit the Slippery Rock Creative store for these After Effects character rigs, and check back periodically for newly added characters. Now let's walk through the Lilu character rig. After you have downloaded the character rig or rigs, open up the After Effects project for each of them. All of the files should be relinked by After Effects. If you find that the files are not relinked, double-click on one of the missing files in your project, then navigate to the Photoshop files in that character's folder, highlight the correct file, and click OK. This will relink all the missing files. Once that is done, save the project so that you will not have to do this step again. Now before animating, I would recommend that you save a new version of this character project and to keep the original project as a backup. Now let's look over the composition and timeline window. As we take a look, keep in mind the organization and the structure of this project. This type of rig has been developed over time for efficiency and ease of use. The other rigs available on the site will be rigged in a similar way. The icons or nulls around the character use position, rotation, or a combination of both to drive animation for the character. These nulls drive facial expressions, select hand or foot artwork, as well as layering the character's body parts, which is useful for some animations. There are also nulls overlapping the character that drive things like arms, legs, torsos, and so on. The timeline is structured for easy navigation as well. Layers have been color-coded in groups for the artist. As you can see in the timeline, the facial feature nulls are at the top of the timeline. Then the left and right nulls that surround the character, and finally the nulls over the character's artwork. Many of the actual artwork layers have been locked and hidden since you will not have to address these layers for animation. In some cases you might find that you do need to edit these layers. To do so, click the Hide Layer icon at the top of the timeline. Then click the lock icon on the layer to which you want to adjust. Now you're able to edit that layer. Remember to lock and hide these layers once you are done. This helps keep the interface clean for animation. Here are some examples of animation that can be achieved with these rigs. You can also bring a video or audio file into this character rig to do lip sync.
Did you learn how to sing about your pointer? Let me hear you sing it.
I can't.
There are many ways to animate these characters. I recommend exploring many different styles to see what works for you. Once again, have fun creating high-quality character animation in After Effects. And please visit slipperyrockcreative.com for new character rigs and animation news.